Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is PunkU. I am a Twitch streamer. I do 3 days a week, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Come check me out if you can. In the meantime, we do YouTube reaction videos here, and here we go again. We got another daily dose of internet. This one is called The Most Unbelievable Nature Videos Ever. We like daily dose, we like nature. We're gonna see what he has for us today. Let's check it out.
These are the most unbelievable nature videos ever. I spent the last few weeks looking across the internet for the most unbelievable nature videos that I could find.
I think these are going to be really good.
Videos on YouTube, Instagram, Reddit, and put all the best ones in one video right here. So I hope you enjoy.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, what are the odds of getting that?
Bro, this? Are you kidding me right now?
Drive. Drive. Oh, get out, 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 get out. Oh my god. This is like a movie.
Someone found a crazy cube-shaped cloud in the UK.
Minecraft. What the hell? Oh, fireworks. Okay. Did the fireworks create lightning?
This is what it looks like when an iceberg flips over.
Oh. I just got chills. I legit just got
A
chills.
super strange event happened in India where the ground started suddenly rising up. It's thought to have happened due to heavy rainfall creating pressure in the ground.
What the?
The fog clears out so fast as soon as they get to the other side of this mountain.
It's probably like a humidity dump, right? Oh wow. Yeah, it's because it's low lying. Lightning? Lightning. It's gonna be lightning. Ooh.
This is the most intense hail I've ever seen.
Okay.
This is a really cool phenomenon where the ice on frozen lakes can make crazy noises as it thaws.
Oh, it's like Star Wars. Listen to this again.
This is called a sundog, but it's a very rare type of sundog because it is so low to the ground. The light reflecting off falling snow made what looks like a portal to another dimension.
Yeah, I've seen those in the sky, like the one up there.
Looks like a portal to another dimension.
Right? Like that one that was up here. That's what I usually see. I've never seen them on the ground. That is weird. It is like playing Portal.
This giant river of lava totally shut down this road in Hawaii.
I should hope so. Oh.
This guy pulled his car out of his house just for his house to be destroyed seconds later.
Oh. Oh no. Just don't. Oh god, just. He got lucky. What is that?
Not right.
It looks like all those paintings of when they paint Cthulhu or something, you know? When he rises. What it reminds me of.
This diver found an underwater portal to another world.
Ooh. That's gorgeous.
This person was out sailing near the Pacific Ocean when suddenly their boat was surrounded by rocks. These floating rocks turned out to be pumice as a result of an underwater volcanic eruption.
Did that eat away at the boat? mean, those are coarse, right? You won't have any paint left, that's for sure.
What the hell is that?
What is that?
This is a phenomenon known as a crown flash. A crown flash occurs when electrical charges cause ice crystals to suddenly shift.
Oh, get back. Oh, no, 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 no. What is that? Is that just like wet snow? Oh, whoa.
Back in 2011, the Japanese Coast Guard captured the moment that they went over a giant tsunami.
Oh.
These trees were completely swallowed up by a huge sinkhole.
Oh. Not gonna lie, that is very satisfying.
This is the Cave of Death in Costa Rica. The carbon dioxide levels are so high that they immediately extinguish any flame that comes inside.
No.
The wind blowing the sand looks like something from a movie.
If it was white, it'd look like snow. Wow. Some
These
whales.
tourists at Yellowstone National Park witnessed a huge hypothermal explosion.
Frickin' run. Well, they're just casually walking. I would be wetting myself. Oh my god.
These people in Norway captured the most incredible bananas.
Yeah. Absolutely. That is beautiful. Camera keeps trying to put me in the middle.
Wow.
Don't know why.
This guy found a really low rainbow.
Ooh. It's Effie height.
This giant rain bomb dropped millions of liters of water over Nevada within just a few seconds.
That is a lot of rain, though. Move cam over a little. Sorry. What is that? It's like War of the Worlds. It's a backward. Don't know. Right? That is cool. It almost looks
These
fake.
people saw something huge moving in the water in Norway.
Oh. 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 An attack. Oh.
The California
puppy, like-
wildfires in 2017
Hey, Val.
created this crazy visual of people driving to work in the morning.
Dude, quit your job. Seriously, it's not
These
worth
bugs
it.
were spotted creating swarms directly over the road markings.
What? Why? That is weird.
These are called Kelvin-Helmholtz clouds, and they occur when a difference in wind speed and direction pushes clouds into these wave-like shapes.
What did he do to get his own cloud? Unless he named him. Why does he get a oh. It's undressing. Oh. What?
This crazy wave cloud was spotted in Japan.
Aryans. Aliens. Alright.
This tornado decided to spawn its own baby tornado.
Oh, that's cute. Of course, it's got to be in Australia, right? Look at that dog. He don't care. Oh, jeez. How are the chickens?
Look at this crazy cloud.
It's like those ones you do get in Australia. The rolling one. That's what it looked like.
These people captured the moment a lightning strike caused the whole city's power to go out.
Lola, did you get it? Oh, whoa.
Blackout.
This guy in New York found an upside-down rainbow.
The sky. It's
Hmm.
getting bigger. Like every 20 seconds it grows.
This is called
It's a
green
smile.
flash, and it's a very rare moment when the sun creates a burst of green light during sunset. This can only happen when atmospheric conditions are absolutely perfect.
It's weird. Okay. What?
They were walking on the beach when the ice started coming after them.
Ooh. The ice is pretty though. Look at it. It's so clean. So clean.
This incredible starling migration was spotted in Wales.
Yeah. They do this. There's like 500,000 of them at times, and they just go nuts. Seen it once. Again, look how beautiful Wales is. Wow.
This photographer had to pull over to capture this incredible tornado.
Doesn't even look like it's moving.
Oh, wow.
These guys saw that their boat was being chased by killer whales.
Ooh. Go, 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 go,
This
go,
is
go.
how quickly an avalanche can move down a mountain.
Why are we standing here? This better be a long lens.
Oh dear God.
Hey, troubles, 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 troubles.
They were chopping down this dying tree when it started gushing out water. This tree had a very specific type of internal rotting that allowed it to store water in an unusual way.
Wow.
The water level in this harbor completely changes throughout the day as the tides change.
Yeah, that's how tides work. Was it the Bay of Fundy where we got like the largest low and high tide range in the world? And I think it's right around that area, I think, isn't it? Or New Brunswick or Nova Scotia. Newfoundland. Ooh. Okay. Like everyone's just
For some
casual
reason, all
about
the
it.
Rain fell in this one area.
Damn. That's where everyone washed
These
their
people
car
witnessed
yesterday.
A huge ice drift on this river in Russia.
Okay,
These people
this no. Look, the ice has already come up. No to her. Don't. Wait, what's to stop all of it? Wait, oh my. Cameras have zooms, lady.
witnessed a huge ice drift on this river in Russia.
That ice looks black. Oh no.
Holy! Oh my god.
Oh. Water coming.
Back it up! Back it up! Back it up! Back it up! Back it up!
This is a super rare type of lightning called a red sprite. They occur at a higher altitude to regular lightning, which is why it looks so unique.
Ooh. That's stunning. I got chills again. Oh wow, that is cool.
This person was traveling in the North Sea when they noticed that they were able to see day and night at the same time.
Well, it's where the divide is. Creepy. Super
A tornado
cool.
spawned right next to this erupting volcano.
Looks. Oh, what is?
Твою мать, что за наклон?
It's like a big umbilical cord,
Фигня крутится.
and it's see-through at the bottom. That's
The super long
cool.
wall cloud was spotted a few years ago in Virginia.
Yeah, these you find in Australia a lot. Like, they got that big, huge one that happens all the time. Is that a person? It's a person, right? Oh, it's not. No, it's lava. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, jeez. Okay. Back up. Oh, okay, they're... See, these guys got a long lens. They're smart.
This is called a Parhelion illusion. A cloud will make it look like that there are 6 or 7 suns. These 2 videos were recorded in Las Vegas and China, showing off the effect.
Nice. You can tell it's a copy. Look at the image in front of it.
These huge waves were captured hitting this ferry back in 2022.
Okay. Whoa. Well, what the hell did you think?
This meteor over Japan was so bright that it turned the night.
This guy has so much faith in this window. Way too much faith, that's for sure. Yeah. They got the right idea.
This meteor over Japan was so bright that it turned the night into day.
Oh.
These people found a glitch in the Matrix.
Yeah, he said Truman Show. I was gonna say it.
This iceberg floated right past this village in Greenland.
Nice. Just casual. Oh. Looks like he's walking like with his arms
Person
up.
spotted a crazy light pillar in Virginia.
That's pretty cool. Wow.
These little teeny mirrors, so the sunlight goes up and then beams it back down at us like little mirrors. So
Oh, don't do this. You. No.
That is so good. Where is he?
Oh.
These people walking through a desert in China experienced some extreme natural static electricity.
No. That usually means lightning. Usually means a lightning of some kind. No. Get in the vehicle.
So I guess fog bows are a thing, as this one was spotted in Kentucky a few years ago.
Ah. Cool. How much time? Dude.
This is what it
Oh, this is a
looks like
long
when
one.
64,000 turtles come in to nest on one island.
Oh, come on. We welcome our turtle overlords. That's a lot of turtles. Is it calving?
This is what the shadow of a tree looks like during a solar eclipse.
Weird. Looks like tall grass. Whoa.
This is a perfect Fata Morgana, which is an illusion where it looks like boats off in the distance are floating in the air. It's basically a mirage that is happening on the ocean instead of the desert.
Cool. That does look weird. Like how the bird's floating, like flying below it. What is this?
This crazy storm was captured at an airport in China.
Oh, China gets all the cool stuff.
In 2022, there was a volcanic eruption so huge that it could actually be seen from space.
Ooh. That was big. Holy crap. That was huge.
That's rapid. Oh my god.
That is. Wow.
I had no idea that tornadoes could move this fast.
It's wind going hundreds of miles an hour. Don't put anything past them.
These strange clouds appeared in Spain right after a huge flood, and no one really knows why.
It's like they flipped upside down. Ooh. Seriously, nature amazes me. Yeah, sure. All we get is ice in Canada. Ice and tides. We don't get anything cool. A milk carton. There you go. There's some culture for you. If this culture would be in a bag, right?
Watch these walls. Oh my.
Oh, wow.
What?
That's pretty.
These people got to witness a full solar eclipse from an airplane.
Okay. Okay, why is it weird? What's happening? Oh, they paused it? Okay. Oh, that looks cool. Look, I like how it goes over the cloud.
And it's a
Oh.
rainbow that is created when the sun is directly behind someone during foggy conditions.
Get this. Look at that rainbow. That's so cool. Wow.
These scientists flew their plane into the eye of the storm, and the wall is absolutely massive.
Ooh. Whoa.
This guy found the exact place where this underwater spring starts.
Put your hand on it. That's cool. Oh, oh, oh. Whoa, Jesus. I'm praying for that license plate's life right now. It's trying so hard. It's trying so hard. Okay. Bring on
This
the
person
insurance
caught a
claims.
super bright meteor on their dash cam.
Okay. Oh, 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 oh. Nice.
This is a super rare eclipse sunrise, which makes the sun look like devil horns rising up from the ocean.
Right? It's kind of cool.
This person was walking through a park when they saw that this wave of cotton balls was on fire.
Pick up your dog. He has a dog, right? No? I thought he had a dog.
This is called a moonbow, which is a rainbow created by moonlight instead of sunlight.
That's nighttime?
One of my subscribers was walking outside in Canada when it was foggy during the sunset. As a result, everything turned pink.
Okay, we do have something cool up here. Wouldn't you want to be walking around on Pink Day? Oh god, faster, faster. Drive, 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 drive. Whoa, dude.
A drone captured these curious whales checking out this boat.
Yeah. It's got a bathroom. That's cool. Whales are amazing. Aren't they? What the actual shit?
These pilots had to take out their phone to record this incredible St. Elmo's fire that showed up at their windows.
Okay.
A few years ago,
Okay.
this meteor was spotted flying right over this concert in Portugal.
Oh. Whoa. They probably thought it was part of the light show. What the hell? It's a tree from hell.
We might have storms today, will we? That is incredible.
This diver discovered a turtle that looks like it knows all the
Oh, so freaking cute. Look at him. A little fuzzy fuzz. I pet it. Like, wipe my finger
secrets
off.
of the universe.
Let's come back
This
to
diver
it.
discovered a turtle that looks like it knows all the secrets of the universe.
Oh, look at it. It's adorable. Isn't it? That's cute.
This pilot recorded a video of some super rare blue jet lightning.
Ooh. Never seen that
A few years
before.
ago, this crazy rainbow cloud was spotted in China.
Wow. That is
This village in
stunning.
Russia got completely covered in ash from a nearby volcano.
Oh, and there's snow under it? Is that what it looks like?
Отряд выехал на проверку дороги.
These divers experienced an earthquake while they were underwater.
That'd be
This
scary
is
as
called
hell.
air ice, and it's formed due to the chemicals released by certain types of fungi.
With a predicted high of about 39 degrees Fahrenheit today, these delicate ice structures will be disappearing here in just a few hours.
Wow, looks like fur. That is crazy. Looks like
The
fur.
wind was so strong that it pushes waterfall in an opposite direction.
It's a water up. Yeah?
This giant cloud rolled in and ruined their beach day.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Oh. Oh, I am so far away from any kind of beach. Boo-hoo. At least you got to be on a beach.
This person spotted a perfectly straight rainbow.
That's kind of a weird phrase, but cool. Ooh. Is it gonna burst into light? I hope it does.
These people
Aw.
found a mud volcano in Malaysia.
Ew.
This is what it looks like to fly past a giant thunderstorm in a plane.
Alright.
That is the end of the video. My goal with this video wasn't really to scare you or shock you, but rather fill you with awe and wonder to really appreciate just how immense and, I guess, beautiful nature really is. And, yeah. So, hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you very, very soon. Later.
It did exactly what it said on the tin. Holy crap, some of that stuff was insane. I don't know how nature does it, but it always amazes me every freaking time you look at it. But anyway, go give Daily Dose a sub. If I'm sure you already are, because I think we all are at this point. And I will catch you at the next one. Until then, guys, take care. Cheers.